Hello and welcome to another video of this reaction series, guys. Today I've got Shashank, the big OG big brother of the entire creator economy, and I've also got a trader, Sushant. And today I have a list of the 15 most viewed finance TikToks. We'll look at them, we'll analyze, and we'll give our own views. Super excited.
You start at 25, saving $100 a month, and you do so every single month until you are 65, and put it in a good Standard & Poor's 500 index fund with average market returns, you'd have $1 million. Wow. But if you wait just 10 years, $100 a month is $1,200 a year. For 10 years, it's $12,000. Not that much money if you wait 10 years. And you start at 35, at 65, you'd have only $300,000. So those 10 years cost you $700,000 at $100 a month.
25 is still fine because people have started earning, people have been in the job market for the last 3-4 years. But now I see this new genre in TikTok and even in Instagram when people are saying, if you start investing 100 rupees from the age of 18, then you will become a crorepati by 60.
I would say if you're anywhere between 20 to 21, if you have 100 rupees, I would say don't invest. Rather invest in yourself, start becoming better so that you can start investing 10,000 rupees when it actually matters. 100 rupees, 100% return is 200 bucks. It's useless.
एक 60 साल में मिनी कूपर चलाता आदमी कैसा रहेगा? अभी चलाओ ना भाई.
Dude, I want to buy cheap alcohol in bulk. Just go to Costco. You know I don't have a membership, right? You don't need a membership if you live in these states. They're legally required to sell it to you. Wow, thanks. What's wrong, bud? I need to cancel my hotel reservation, but they're going to charge me a huge cancellation fee if I do it now. Just call them and move the reservation to a later date, like a month from now. Then what? Then call them back and cancel the future reservation. Since you're canceling so far out, they won't charge you a fee. I ran out of Windex. Why are you even paying for Windex? What other alternatives are there? Just combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of rubbing alcohol, and 2 drops of dish soap, and it's the same thing. You're so annoying. How do you know so much?
Hey, is this like a remix of like 3 reels?
Yeah. 3 5-second tips.
Yeah, what the hell, bro? Like he jumped from hotel reservations to some cleaning liquid and then ran somewhere else, and in the end it was like financial Sharan, right? So it was like too many jumps. I'm like, shit, this is the future now. I'll just put 5 different hacks into one, right? Public confused हो जाएगी कि किसने क्या hack दिया इसने में.
Bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang.
Why should we even open our mouth when we do reels? I've realized now. 3 things RBI policy and we just show 3 faces. That's it. We're done.
All of us live in Bangalore, right?
Yeah.
And all of us pay different rents, have different valuations of our houses. Here in this video, one house represented one entire city. Very simple. कि पूरे न्यूयॉर्क में यही घर मिलेगा, पूरे नेवाडा में यही घर मिलेगा.
Dude, इतना छोटा घर भी था bro उधर. मतलब it was like all of it is in Bombay right now. Everything was so small. In Bombay you'll get a bungalow at 7, that 1 million if you're lucky.
Yeah, they say he keep on evolving. I so steady with it. They say he had pockets swollen. You gotta show me the shit. Gotta tell how I'm doing this shit.
Dude, I wouldn't be surprised if this NFT actually got sold out as well, right? I wouldn't be surprised at all.
This video basically ignored the concept of blockchain.
Yeah,
if you have a good graphic designer,
dude, if Satoshi was alive today or if he's still there, if he's seeing this, he'll be like, मेरे को reveal ही नहीं करने अपने आप को, फुकट गाली खाऊंगा मैं. मतलब blockchain जैसा चीज invent किया, फायदा ही नहीं हुआ इसका. This is happening right now. My technology is useless.
कहाँ बवासीर बना दिए हो?
Look at this.
You're the trader. You should talk about this. What is this, dude?
अरे all this shit doesn't work यार. मतलब all these double bottom and everything, because so what they do is, I'll tell you, इंडिया में कल्चर अभी क्या चल गया है कि ऑलरेडी जो पैटर्न्स बन गए ना उनमें स्पॉट करके दिखा देंगे, देखो ऐसा काम किया करके. अरे भाई पहले करो ना स्पॉट करना है तो, बाद में तो सब कोई कर देगा. एवरी नेक्स्ट गाइस,
ट्रेडिंग बहुत इजी है. ट्रेडिंग बहुत इजी होता है. सुशांत ऐसे ट्रेडिंग की क्लासेस बेच रहा है, आपको बस W देखना है, दैट्स इट. ठीक है?
नहीं वो एक पीस ऑफ पेपर है, वो ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा प्रिंट आउट लेके. ऑल द ट्रेडिंग पैटर्न्स, कीप दैट, स्टार्ट विस्लिंग, लुक एट द ट्रेडिंग व्यू, फ्री ट्रेडिंग व्यू, स्टार्ट विस्लिंग एंड से वू एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग मनी. दैट्स इट.
और
इतना
कुछ
easy
नहीं
होता
चाहिए,
है.
हम तो पागल है मतलब जो कर
But wait, you know the best part of that reel is it says Bitcoin fire 2022 upwards and in 2022 it's gone down and there's no tomorrow.
वही तभी मैं बोला कि अब लेके आओ इसको आदमी को क्या
कहाँ गया W?
उसको बोला धमाल मूवी नहीं चल रहा है, हर W के नीचे पैसा नहीं होता.
At number 10, we have this video with 17.6 million views.
Hey guys, let's see how much the laundromat made over the past 5.5 days or so. I thought I had a little more time, but one of the machines got clogged up with quarters from being too full, so I had to make a trip down. The good news is that this collection is 100% profit. Usually my total monthly bills for the laundromat hover around $5,500 to $6,000, and I've already blown past that. So every quarter that I collect right now is 100% profit. I love it. Not to mention the sound the quarters make. Never gets old. This next one here is the one that got clogged up, and you'll see why.
Wow.
It is full. As much as I love seeing it get full, I hate having to come in to unclog it. It's so annoying. But that's the cost of doing business.
Guys, I think this is just 1 minute of flexing that his washing machine, this dryer business is working.
$100 cash or a Bitcoin?
$100 cash.
Women.
Those women will be rich right now. Because $100 of Bitcoin will be $30 now.
Oh no! This is not $100 cash or $100 worth of
One
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
$100
Oh, one
cash
Bitcoin.
or a Bitcoin.
Oh,
One minute.
Yeah, then sad. Then
वो
very
अभी दूर
sad.
है, अभी दूर है.
अभी दूर है.
Now we have reached the bigger league, 20.5 million views.
Wow.
Number 46, what can I do you for? 2 salmon steaks and a pound of shrimp. Which one? We got 3 different types of salmon. Hang on, George. The fishmonger, fish guy, can't understand a single word I'm saying. What am I supposed to call you anyway? That's ironic because I'm pretty confident I got a good name for you. The doctor in charge. Mr. Crown, what can I get you? You're the boss here. I need something that swims and something that crawls. Well, we just got in some fresh tuna that's selling down the street for $50 a plate. I suggest getting some of that and some fresh mussels. We got to discount them. There's just no room. Great. 2 tuna steaks and enough mussels for 4. I just read Bourdain's cookbook. I'm armed and dangerous. Amen to that, brother. Oh, and the butcher accidentally cut me an extra strip. Here,
It felt
throw
like
it
I
in
was
the
watching
walk-in
a long
freezer and
YouTube
throw it up to
video.
the kids tonight.
या मतलब लैंड
Yeah.
कि अभी खत्म होगा.
Just had 20 million views for what? किस चीज के लिए?
They said
Did it get trolled or something? Or else it can't reach 20 million views. right? Funny भी नहीं था, content भी नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था इसमें.
कुछ भी नहीं था. At number 7, this video has 25.5 million.
Sushant, it's your kind of video. Again, I can see 2 arrows over there. Get ready.
वो भी उल्टा W बना रखा है उसमें.
These videos didn't age well.
Oh, God.
After this market.
The confidence is whistling and everything. Right?
अरे but गया क्या?
नहीं गया भाई.
नहीं, अभी तो
कुछ नहीं, नीचे गया वो, ऊपर नहीं गया, नीचे गया.
टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में क्या हो रहा है ना, दे जस्ट गो टू सम रैंडम यूट्यूब वीडियो, दे लर्न ऑल दीज पैटर्न्स, डबल बॉटम, डबल टॉप, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, दे थिंक ऑफ देमसेल्व्स एज ट्रेडर समथिंग, देन वो इंस्पेक्ट एलिमेंट में जाके जरूर का प्रॉफिट है ना एडिट करेंगे, दे विल शो 10 लाख प्रॉफिट्स अ डे, उसको एड रन करेंगे और फिर खुद का 5,000 रुपए कोर्स बेचेंगे. लाइक दिस इज व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग. एवरी सिंगल पर्सन, मतलब एवरीवन इज डूइंग दिस. And I legit got a message. कि we have made this app which is fake Zerodha profit screenshot generator. You have to put in script, you have to put in quantity, you have to put in the price or something, and they'll give you a proper legit screenshot of it.
That's why I wanted to learn coding. Problem का solution निकल सकता है. हर problem का solution निकल सकता है.
There's also, by the way, there's something called as Batman strategy. मतलब एक Batman बनता है. Dude, when I started going depth ना, हमने क्या चालू है भाई, मतलब कुछ भी चल. राम जी का धनुष बना रहे ब्रो उधर, और वो भी लॉस में जा रहे हैं. मतलब मैं क्यों?
अभी टुडे आई सॉ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज, तो अभी करंट मार्केट ना, इट इज एक्चुअली लाइक वो हनुमान जी वो पहाड़ लेके जाते हैं ना, तो इट इज एक्चुअली लाइक दैट इमेज. आई गॉट दैट टुडे ओनली.
Dude, what the hell? तो अलग लेवल चालू है.
संजीवनी.
ये W नहीं बन रहा है क्या इसका?
संजीवनी pattern.
Hi, my AirPods got stolen, so I'm here to get new ones for free. AppleCare doesn't cover stolen AirPods. Sorry. Shh, they don't know this hack. Watch this. this. Actually, I read the terms of my credit card benefit. Since I purchased the AirPods with my credit card, it includes theft protection. So they gave me money to buy brand new AirPods. Oh, that's neat. Who taught you that? Erica did. She's a lawyer and reads the fine print, so I don't have to. That's why I follow her.
Does it work?
I don't know. I've never tried it.
No idea.
Actually, half the hacks I don't think really comes into picture, right? Because वो सब expire हो जाते हैं by the time you actually go and try it. There's something unique that she does apart from the double roll which everyone does. She also does she looks into the camera. I'm like, I know something that she doesn't know. It's like me and the audience
the fourth
are
wall.
fooling this person together, which is invariably her only. But it's nice. It's very nice.
Very meta. Very
Yeah,
A
I
lot
like
of
this.
people in India also have copied this thing. Like they'll speak to the camera in between, you know.
Have they? Oh,
Yeah, they have.
I think now. I think Anshuman, we have to start downloading TikTok and see what's happening there.
Yeah. Do you want to take some dance classes?
What the hell?
Fifth most viewed TikTok, 28.6 million views.
How is that even possible?
Yeah, it is not
Yeah,
possible.
at number 4, this video has 32 million views.
No touch? But how can I buy if I don't touch? I was here to look at the Veyron.
But you want to make video or you want to buy
that
the
an
car?
Indian?
I want to buy the car and make video.
So you have two cameras, like you're making a video.
I think I know what happened. This must be in April 2022. The seller must be knowing कि अभी पे बिटकॉइन जाने वाला है $20,000 में, तो जब तक ये डिपॉजिट वगैरह बनाएगा तब तक इसके पास पैसे ही नहीं बचेंगे. So let's just ask.
But I have a question. एक चीज है कि एंड में खरीदा कि नहीं, वो अलग बात है, ठीक है. Second चीज ये बिलियनर है कि नहीं, but putting a Bitcoin t-shirt is not equal to being a billionaire. No? I'll put Ethereum t-shirt, go there, they'll be like get lost. Right? Bank balance दिखाओ, ये दिखाओ, वो कुछ तो दिखाओ. अलग ही मतलब टाइटल कुछ भी लगाओ.
कुछ भी.
I'll put Ethereum shirt. अंशुमन तू शूट कर, एक मैं जाता हूँ ऑडी के शोरूम के अंदर. Ethereum billionaire gets kicked out. खत्म. Who cares? Nobody's asking for my bank. क्या अजीब कुछ भी चल रहा है. How do you know he's a billionaire?
The third most viewed finance TikTok, 36.5
Okay, we're in top 3 now.
million views.
Sick and tired of bitches acting like they wanna know me. Brother ain't the phony, try to check me, it's a warning.
Yeah, this is worth it.
This is nice.
This is worth it.
This is nice. This is nice. This is actually very nice.
This has 50 million views. Actually, 51.2 million views.
That's mad.
Hi, it looks like you bumped me from this flight I was supposed to be on. Yeah, we overbooked it. Basically, we sold more tickets than seats on the plane, and to our surprise, everyone showed up. What can be done? We'll try to get you on the next flight in a few hours, but there's nothing else I can do. Sorry. She has no idea I follow Erica. Watch this. Actually, I've read the terms. This is called involuntary denied boarding, and in this case, I'm eligible for compensation. Okay, how much money do you want? Well, it depends. When's the next flight you can get me on? It leaves in 3 hours. According to the Department of Transportation, since the next flight you can get me on results in over a 2-hour delay, I'm entitled to 4 times the cost of my one-way fare. I paid $250 for the one-way fare, so that'll be $1,000. Ugh, fine. We'll get you your $1,000 and I'll book you on the next flight. Who taught you this? Erica did. She's a lawyer and reads the fine print, so I don't have to. That's why I follow her.
So Indian version, and there it was not compensation. It was you have to feed me, you have to give me food and drinks till I get the next flight.
And Indians, we to fight. That is not a problem.
This is the most viewed finance TikTok, almost 75 million views. Let's see.
Hi, my shoe has a tear. Can I get a new pair? You bought that almost 2 years ago. There's nothing we can do since it's been over 60 days. She has no idea I know. Watch this. I'm not talking about the 60-day return policy. I've actually read your terms, and I know that as long as it's been less than 2 years since the manufacture date found here, it's covered under the warranty, and Nike will either give me a brand new pair or a gift card for the same value. Oh, fine. We don't carry that one anymore, so here's your $100 gift card. Who taught you this? Erica did. She's a lawyer and reads the fine print so that I don't have to. That's why I follow her.
Even after knowing this, right, I am the kind of customer who is like, I think I don't want drama, so I'm always scared. Okay, so like, even it's broken or something, I'm like, I think this is broken. It's under manufacturing warranty, but do you think you can get me a new one? Like, I'm always scared.
We have to beg for कि भाई please warranty में रहने दो, you know, because I don't want to buy. आप बोलते हो तो रख. And it's always out of warranty because of something or the other. So Indian fine print is very different from US fine print. They should understand that as well, right? Indian fine print में सब कुछ चलता है. राइट आपने ऐसा पानी गिरा चलो शूज पे तो पानी गिरेगा नहीं पानी गिरा तो नो रिफंड दैट्स हाउ दे डू इट राइट इट्स वेरी वियर्ड हियर
But how are you guys at bargaining in general?
I'm very bad. I hate bargaining.
I can't. I tried, but I am very bad. Like
I have a thesis, okay? Like if I go and if I ask for a price, asked a vendor for a price, I think मेरी शक्ल देख के उनको realize हो जाता है कि मेरे को नहीं आता है bargaining. And then they'll quote some outright obnoxious price, and I'm like कि भैया ये तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है. And then he's like, okay, 50 रुपए कम दे दो. And I'm happy.
I should try this. Yeah. कि ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है. It's not like you know the market value, but ये तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है.
But all right, this was really fun. Thank you guys for your time. एंड अगर आपको इस वीडियो में कुछ भी अच्छा लगा तो अभी के अभी लाइक बटन दबाइए. इफ यू आर न्यू हियर देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. वी मेक सच वीडियोस ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वीक. एंड इफ यू डोंट फॉलो सुशांत एंड शशांक, oh wow, Sushant and Shashank on Instagram and YouTube, then do it right now. The links are in the description. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.
thank you, Anshuman. Thank you so much.